Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to block a group member on the Instagram app when you're using it on your PC, especially with the new update. If you've ever been part of a group chat where someone is causing trouble or just making things uncomfortable, blocking them can be a great way to take control and keep your experience positive. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left menu where you'll find several icons. Click on the messages icon. It looks like a little paper airplane or speech bubble depending on the update. This will open your direct messages and group chats. Next, find the group chat where the member you want to block is. Click on that group to open the conversation. Now, to manage the members, you need to access the group info. Look for the info icon, usually represented by an eye inside a circle, and click on it. This will bring up the group details, including the list of all members. Scroll through the member list until you find the person you want to block. Right next to their name, you'll see 3 dots arranged vertically. Click on these dots to open a small menu with more options. From the menu, select the option that says Block. Instagram will then ask you to confirm this action. Confirming will block the member, which means they won't be able to send you messages or interact with you in that group anymore. And that's it. You've successfully blocked a group member on Instagram using the PC app with the latest update. This simple process helps you maintain a safe and comfortable space in your group chats. Remember, blocking someone in a group chat only affects your interaction with them. They'll still be in the group for others unless the group admin removes them. If you ever want to unblock someone, you can do so from your privacy settings. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful Instagram tips.